Good morning, everyone. It's Colleen Frost, and it is a beautiful, gorgeous sunny day, and I have a beautiful, gorgeous new listing. We are at 412 Lovebird, located in Murphy Farms in Murphy, Texas. And this house is cute, cute, cute. Let's go take a peek inside this adorable one-story home. You are going to love this floor plan. Absolutely love this house. And I just love the name of the street, Lovebird. Who doesn't want to live on Lovebird? So when we immediately walk in, we have the formal dining room to the right. We even have a bay window out front. Great neutral colors throughout. To the left, we have a large home office. You could use this as a fourth bedroom if you really wanted to. It doesn't have a closet in, but easily could rough a closet right here in this corner. Or you could actually close that door off and rough a closet right there. I love the arches in this house, and look at this amazing open floor plan. We've got the family room, we've got a lodge-like feeling fireplace. Look at that wall, just that gorgeous stone wall. Even has a little place for firewood. And we have this fantastic kitchen. I mean, it's beautiful with skylights. Look at that cook range. If you love to cook, this is your kitchen. This house just is made for entertaining. Absolutely love it. We've got the kitchen nook area. And then we have another bonus room. This could be a formal dining room. You could make this a TV room. So I really like this space as well. And then we have two entrance points out to the outside patio, covered. But first, we're going to go back into the two secondary bedrooms that are separate from the master. Here we have the first secondary bedroom. And here we have the second secondary bedroom. And then we have a full bath. And then we have the utility room that leads to the two-car garage. And then back to the home office. And then I just want to show you your viewpoint again. I absolutely think this house is gorgeous. Look at all the recessed lighting. And now we'll head down to the master retreat, which also has another access point to the patio. Remember, we saw the other door, there it is, from the living room. And look, you even have another fireplace in your master. Large master bedroom. And here we have the master shower and a corner jetted tub. And a closet and a private commode. Let me come back through. It's so cute. I can't help but keep videoing this open area. I absolutely love it. Look at that cooktop. I want to come into the kitchen so you can see how wonderful this Wolf range. Look at this. Isn't this wonderful? And now we will go into the living room and out to this large covered patio. So here we have the covered patio, just great for entertaining, and a beautiful backyard. large backyard. So if you would like a private tour, don't miss 412 Lovebird Lane, located in Murphy, Texas. You can give me a call at 214-284-1080, or you can check out our website at colleenfrost.com for professional photographs. And make sure you subscribe to that channel. We have more great videos coming up soon. Thanks for watching.